Hello to everyone, welcome to Excel Mastery course. If you want to learn a ton of practical hands on Excel skills, then yes, you are in the right place. Hello, my name is Manish Huda and I am currently teaching 6 courses here. Actually there are many courses, but currently I am teaching 6 courses here on this platform. And my talent is taking complex problems and making them easy to learn in a funny way. This course is designed for basically industry level and for the students as well. Now, who can opt or choose this course? So first one, students who wants to learn Excel with amazing tricks and who wants to shock their teachers and friends can opt this course. Number 2, this is course designed particular for office employees. So office employees can select or choose this course, and after completion of this course office employees can impress their boss. Okay, next, NIELIT OA and B level students can also opt for go with this course, or even Excel teachers or faculty or institute teachers can also opt this course. And through this course you can gain important job skills which will help you in getting a perfect job for you. I will start this course with very basics and then I will move towards the mastery of this course. So I will start this course from scratch or from zero and then will move towards the mastery. And you will be mastering the 7 most common functions such as VLOOKUP, SUMIF, count and many more functions. Sometimes which students get confused by these functions. You will be master in these functions. You will be able to create pivot table, pivot charts, regular charts and so on, such as column charts, bar chart, pie charts and many more after completing of this course. You can also create powerful pivot tables and charts so that you will be able to make lightning fast calculations and also can organize data quickly and fastly. And I will give you step-by-step instructions clearly. I will also include the MS Excel datasheet that I am going to use, or I am going to give you the examples in this course. I will provide the Excel datasheet in the below description box so that you can download those Excel sheets and can practice on them. Okay, now which version I am going to use? So I will make lectures of Excel on the version Excel 2016. I will use Excel 2016, but if you don't have Excel 2016 then there is no problem. You can practice on any version. I will cover almost all versions, and in fact all the versions of Excel are same and they will work as same. All the functions will apply as same. There is some basic look and layout difference, nothing more than that. Okay, I will also cover each and every shortcut key which makes you as fast as light is. Okay, so let's get started.